नमस्कार वेलकम टू ओपीएससी ओएस ए टू जेड। सो आज आम डिस्कस करने जाऊे 2023 विजन आईएएस टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट 2 रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 रो प्रीवियसली आम क्वेश्चन नंबर 75 जाए कवर कर सारी। सो आपण मैंने प्लेलिस्ट को जाकि देखिपारे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 76। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट विथ रेफरेंस टू जोनल काउंसिल इन इंडिया। दीज आर द स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडीज क्रिएटेड अंडर द स्टेट रिऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक्ट 1956। दिस इज करेक्ट। देन the Union Home Minister acts as the chairman of the Zonal Council. This is correct. Total 5 Zonal Councils are there. Those are Northern, Central, Eastern, Western and Southern, and provided a Zonal Council for each zone. And uh, recently in 1971, Northeastern Council was created by the separate act of the Parliament. So एठी ऑप्शन 1 and 2 दुटा जाक करेक्ट हो। ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर हियर। तो जोनल काउंसिल रो ऑब्जेक्टिव कौन है? तो जोनल काउंसिल रो एम होची प्रमोटिंग कोऑपरेशन एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन स्टेट यूनियन टेरिटोरीज एंड द सेंटर, and it also discuss and make recommendation regarding the matters like economic and social planning, linguistic minorities, border dispute and interstate transport। ये सब जिनस जोनल काउंसिल डिस्कस करे। सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 77। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द रिमूवल ऑफ द जजेस। द जजेस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट कैन बी रिमूव्ड ऑन द सेम ग्राउंड एज द जज ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट। येस, दिस इज करेक्ट। तो से ग्राउंडटा कौन है? द जजेस ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट कैन बी रिमूव्ड in the same manner and also on the same grounds, that is proved misbehavior and incapacity as a judge of the supreme court। ए केस रे से इम्पिच्ड हो पारे। सो ऑप्शन 1 टा ठीक अच्छी। देन violation of the constitution is the only ground for the removal of the high court judges। No, this is incorrect। एटा violation of the constitution is the ground of impeachment of the president only। So option 1 is the correct answer here, option A। So next question number 78। which of the following statement is or are correct with respect to the high courts of the union territory? The high court of Delhi was established by the constitution under the article 239 AA। This is incorrect because High Court established under the Delhi High Court Act 1966 and under Article 239 AA under Union Delhi as a union territory and its legislature establishes। So option 1 incorrect है गेला। Establishing a high court for a union territory would require a constitutional amendment। No, it didn't it doesn't require a constitutional amendment because in constitution under article 241 of the constitution state that the parliament by law can establish high court at any union territory। So option 2 also incorrect। तो यार correct answer रहेगा option D, neither 1 nor 2। So option next question number 79। which of the following is not the purpose of constituting cabinet committee to reduce enormous workload of cabinet? एटा तो कैबिनेट कमिटी पर्पस। तो यहाँ ठीक अच्छी। द फैसिलिटीज इन डेप्थ एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ पॉलिसी इश्यूज एंड इफेक्टिव delegation। This is also correct। to give federal character to policy making। This is incorrect। then D, the sort out the issues and formulate the proposal for the consideration of the cabinet। This is also correct। so it is correct, not the purpose purchase। so option C is the right answer here। so next question number 80। under 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment as no election to any municipality and panchayat can be questioned except by an election petition presented to which of the following authority? तो ये देखिए ऑप्शन ए डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट टू व्हिच द म्युनिसिपैलिटी और द पंचायत बिलोंग टू the high court of the concerned state, any authority as provided by the state legislature। so it option C टा ही correct answer। so C is the correct answer here। so next question number 81 को which of the following statement is or are correct regarding the election of the Rajya Sabha members? all members of the state legislative assembly participate in the election। no, all members जेहेतु ये लिखी ये केवल elected member not the nominated member पार्टिसिपेट करते लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली। सो ऑप्शन 1 इनकरेक्ट होगा। इलेक्शन फॉर वैकेंट सीट ऑफ द राज्यसभा आर हेल्ड एवरी 3rd ईयर। नो, एवरी 2nd ईयर वैकेंट सीट पर इलेक्शन हुए फॉर द टर्म्स ऑफ 6 ईयर। सो ऑप्शन 1 and 2 दुईटा जाक इनकरेक्ट होगा नीदर 1 nor 2 is the right answer here, option D. So next is question number 82. The Central Council of Local Government is chaired by who among the following? तो यार करेक्ट आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी मिनिस्टर ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स बिकॉज द सेंट्रल काउंसिल ऑफ लोकल गवर्नमेंट वाज सेट अप इन 1954 and it was constituted under Article 263 of the Constitution of India by an order of President of India. So it has been dealing with the matters of urban and urban government only. So union minister act as the chairman of the council and the central council of local government is chaired by minister of housing and urban affairs. So option B is the right answer here. So next Shiba, which of the following are not an essential feature of local governance? Active participation of the citizenry, not एटी पचार किंतु एटा तो लोकल गवर्नेंस फीचर. सो ये ठीक. इंक्रीज अकाउंटेबिलिटी ऑफ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट. सेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग, दिस इज नॉट द फीचर ऑफ द लोकल गवर्नेंस. सो ऑप्शन 3, ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर हियर. सो नेक्स्ट बा क्वेश्चन नंबर 84 को. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द यूनाइटेड नेशन रेफ्यूजी कन्वेंशन 1951. 1 second. It is based on the core principle of non-refoulement, which asserts that if refugees should not be returned to a country where they face serious threats to their life or freedom. This is correct. Recently, the minutes of National Human Rights Commission suggest that the model laws on the asylum and refugee that were drafted by the National Human Rights Commission decades ago but not implemented by the government could be revised by an expert committee. So option 180 correct is. Then it has not clearly defined the term refugee and anyone can declare him or herself as a refugee without any verification. So this is incorrect. India has ratified the convention in 2010. This is also incorrect. The Convention of relating to the status of the refugee, also known as 1951 Refugee Convention or the General or Geneva Convention of 28 July 1951 is a United Nations multilateral treaty that defines who a refugee is. तो जेहेतु डिफाइन करुच्ची एटी 2 इनकरेक्ट हो गला एंड 3 भी इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज India is not the part to the 1951 Refugee Convention and its 1967 protocol. So 3 भी incorrect. The right answer एटी खाली हो option A is the correct answer here. So next is question number 85. Which of the following is or are the duties of the Indian Coast Guard? Options are the prevention and protection of marine environment, ठीक अच्छी. Prevention and control of the marine pollution, this is also right. Assisting the customs and other authorities in the anti-smuggling operation, this is also right. And the Indian Coast Guard 46th Rising Day एबे recently celebrate ହେଇଛି on 1st February 2022 रे. and so यार करेक्ट आंसर ହେଇଯିବ ऑप्शन 1, 2 and 3. ऑप्शन 1, 2 and 3 कोठी छै देखिबा. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. सो नेक्स्ट छिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 को. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स. व्यंजन 1 second. yes, व्यंजन द्वादशी celebrated in Odisha. yes, this is correct. Medaram Jatra not in Kerala, it is celebrated in Telangana. This is a tribal festival. Then Nyaikyum is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. This is also correct. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर हो गला ओनली 1 and 3. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. द व्यंजन द्वादशी जोटा कि सेलिब्रेटेड इन बाय द वैष्णवस इन ओडिशा. Its celebration is marked as the 12th day of the bright lunar phase of the moon in the month of Margashir Masa, जोटा कि आम कहे मार्गशीर मासर ऑफ हिंदू कैलेंडर. सो देन मेदारम यात्राटा बिलंग करे कौटी कि तेलंगाना को. तेलंगाना यहाँ सबुठ यहाँ इंडिया एशियार सेकेंड सॉरी हाँ एशियार सेकेंड हाईएस्ट फेस्टिवल आफ्टर आफ्टर व्हाट फार्स्टा कौन हो कुंभ मेला. कुंभ मेला पर यहाँ सेकेंड हाईएस्ट number of people participate in this festival. This is a tribal festival. Then Nako Yulu is the tribal festival of the Arunachal Pradesh by the Nisti tribe. And ita मन रखंतु मेदारम यात्रा एटा कोया ट्राइब को द्वारा सेलिब्रेट कर जाए फॉर द पीरियड ऑफ 4 days. सो नेक्स्ट जीवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ताले आंसर कौन होगा 1 and 3 ठीक अच्छे तो डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. सो नेक्स्ट जीवा 87 को कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ए स्टेट. ए पर्सन हु इज नॉट ए मेंबर ऑफ द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर कैन नॉट बी अपॉइंटेड एज द चीफ मिनिस्टर. यहाँ करेक्ट अच्छी बिकज तांको 6 months टाइमिंग दि जाए ता भितर से इधर हाउस गोटे मेंबर होता दरकार या द. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 person who is not a member of the state legislature cannot be 1 second please. Consider the following statement regarding the chief minister of state. A person who is not a member of the state legislature cannot be appointed as the chief minister. Under article 164(4) the constitution of India provides that a minister who for any period or of 6 consecutive months is not a member of the legislature of the state shall be the expiration of the period cease of the minister. A person who is not a member of the state legislature can be appointed as the chief minister of the state. हाँ appointed हो पारे किंतु provided terms and condition तांको 6 months भितर तांको मेंबर होगा को पड़िबो. सो ऑप्शन 1 टा इठी इनकरेक्ट हो गला. He or she should be of a minimum age of 30 years. 30 years नुहे तार मिनिमम एज 25 years. तो ऑप्शन 2 भी इनकरेक्ट हो गला. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नीदर 1 nor 2. So next you have question number 88 को. With reference to the state governor, consider the following statement. Method of appointment of governor is adopted from the Canadian Constitution. This is correct. The same person can be appointed as the governor for the 2 or more state. This is also correct. Under Article 77th under 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1956 এটা ଆଲାଉ କରିଛି ଜଣେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଦୁଇଟା ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ର ଏକା ସହିତ ମୋର୍ ଦେନ୍ 1 ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ର ଏକା ସହିତ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ରହିପାରିବେ. ସୋ ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଇଜ୍ ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହିୟର୍. ସୋ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଯିବା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 89 କୁ. The model code of conduct comes immediately into effect once the election commission announces the schedule of the election. So option A is the correct answer here. The formal process for the election starts with the notification calling upon the electoral to elect members of the house. So next is question number 90. Recently a new species of the spider named Narsimhatai is in the honor of Narsin Mehta. Who was he? A Vaishnavite saint, a pioneer of Gujarati literature. तो से कहार कंटेम्परारी मीराबाई कंटेम्परारी होचन नरसिम्हाई मेहता. 15th century जड़े पोएट जे कि गुजराती लिटरेचर आदि कवि भाव में जना. एंड ही वाज द पायोनियर पोएट ऑफ द गुजराती लिटरेचर. ही रोड पदस अख्यान प्रभातीय numerous bhajanas and kirtanas which were preserved orally for centuries before being scripted writing. महात्मा गांधी फेवरेट भजन जोटा वैष्णव जन तो प्लेड इन ऑल प्रेयर मीटिंग्स वाज रिटन बाय नरसिम्हा मेहता. डू रिमेम्बर दिस वैष्णव जन तो किए लिखिते नरसिम्हा मेहता जे कि जड़े गुजराती पोएट थिले नाउ एबे जो रिसेंटली जो स्पाइडर नेम दिया नरसिम्हा मेहता द ऑनर ऑफ नरसिम मेहता ऑनर रे। सो नेक्स्ट जी क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 को विथ रेफरेंस टू द बजेटरी प्रोसेस इन इंडिया अप्रोप्रिएट बिल रेफर्स टू ऑप्शन ए ऑथराइजेशन ऑफ द विड्रॉल फ्रॉम द कंसोलिडेटेड फंड ऑफ इंडिया। सो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। सो नेक्स्ट जी क्वेश्चन नंबर 92 with reference to the powers of the president consider the following statement. His prior assent is required to introduce constitutional amendment bill and money bill. This is incorrect. President को prior assent दरकार नहीं amendment bills पाई. Then 2 को he can nominate 2 members to the Rajya Sabha from Anglo-Indian communities. This is incorrect because Anglo-Indian community लोकसभा को इलेक्ट हो पाते बिफोर द 104th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2019 बट आफ्टर दैट इट एबोलिश करा जायछि एंड प्रेसिडेंट नॉमिनेट्स मेंबर टू राज्यसभा अमंग द पर्सन हैविंग स्पेशल नॉलेज इन लिटरेचर आर्ट साइंस एंड सोशल सर्विसेज। सो ऑप्शन 1 एंड 2 दुईटा जगह जेहेतु इनकरेक्ट हो जाए निदर 1 नॉट 2। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 93 को which among the following parliamentary privileges are mentioned in the constitution? Freedom of speech in parliament. Yes, this is correct. Right to publication of parliamentary proceeding. This is also correct under article 105. Right to punish for contempt of house. This is incorrect. So option A is the right answer here. So next your question number 94 को with respect to the interstate council consider the following state. Article 263 contemplates that the establishment of the interstate council to affect the coordination among the states and between the center and state. This is correct. The decision and recommendation of the interstate council are only advisory in nature. This is also right because it is not boundary in nature and it's the council's function to acquire and advise of an interstate dispute is contemporary to the Supreme Court's jurisdiction under Article 131 to decide a legal controversy between the government. So, option C is the right answer here. So, next even 95. Which of the following statement is or are correct with regard to the discussion in the parliament during the 0 hour? The members are free to raise any matter that they think is important. Yes, this is correct. During the question hour, ministers are bound to give oral answer to all the types of question. No, only start question are bound to be answered orally, but the on-start question can be answered in a written form. So option 2 टा incorrect है गला. इठी option A is the right answer here. Option A 1 only. So next इबा 96 को in which of the following states the देउचा पच्चमी coal mine is located. तो इटा अच्छी आपनकर वेस्ट बेंगाल में अच्छी देउचा पंचमी coal mine. The West Bengal government has revised the compensation package for those losing their land for the Deucha Panchami coal mine project. So एटा न्यूज़ अच्छी. It is located in the southwestern part of the Birbhum coalfield in West Bengal, जोटा कि एशियार लार्जेस्ट कोल रिजर्व एंड वर्ल्ड सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कोल माइन विथ एस्टिमेटेड रिजर्व ऑफ 2102 million tons. So next क्वेश्चन नंबर 97 को consider the following statement regarding council of ministers. The strength of council of ministers cannot exceed 10% of the total member of the Lok Sabha. No, this is incorrect because strength of council of ministers 15% of the total member of the house of the people हवा दरकार. So इटा incorrect है. council of minister is collectively responsible to the parliament. So this is also incorrect. Council of ministers is collectively responsible only to the Lok Sabha, not to the parliament. So option D is the correct answer here. Neither one is correct neither 2 is correct. So next chiba 98 को with reference to the additive manufacturing technology which of the following statement is or are correct. India's national strategy for additive manufacturing aims at achieving 25% of the global market share in the sector. This is incorrect because India's share in the global additive manufacturing to 5%. That is a target to add nearly $1 billion to GDP by 2025. Hence, statement 1 is incorrect. China's market share in the additive manufacturing is the highest in the world. This is incorrect because of top USA, then European Union, then ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଏ ଆସୁଛି USA, European Union, then ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆସିବ ଚାଇନାର contribution only 14%. Then India is very negligible, that is 1.4%. The 3 ଦେଇଛି human tissues and organs can be made through this technology. Yes, this is correct. and जोटाको आम कहे बायो प्रिंटिंग इन द फील्ड ऑफ हेल्थ केयर एडिटिव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बायो प्रिंटिंग आउ को केस यूज होता है लाइक मिलिटरी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड हाउसिंग केस भी यूज हुए. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए ओनली. So next is question number 99. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the office of the Prime Minister? He holds office during the pleasure of the President. This is correct. Resignation of the Prime Minister automatically dissolves the Council of Ministers. This is also correct. The Prime Minister को सेमती किसी गोटे fixed term न था. He holds office during the pleasure of the President. However, it doesn't mean that the President तांकु को भी मोमेंट रे काढ़ी पारिबे बा डिसमिस करि पारिबे. आ जेतेबेले the Prime Minister enjoys majority support in Lok Sabha as long as he cannot be dismissed by the President. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ majority support Prime Minister enjoy କରୁଥିବେ ଲୋକସଭାରେ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ President ତାଙ୍କୁ को भी वेरे डिसमिस करिपारिबेनी. सो एटी करेक्ट आंसर है बोथ 1 and 2 करेक्ट अच्छी सी. सो नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 100 को व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज और आर एक्सक्लूसिव पावर ऑफ द लोकसभा? वोट ऑफ डिमांड ग्रांट्स. Yes, this is right. Introduction of constitutional amendment bill. An amendment of the constitution can be initiated in either house of the parliament. So it Lok Sabha exclusive power nuhe. Creation of all India services, it is the exclusive power of the Rajya Sabha. So यार correct answer है जो option A is the right answer, only one. सो ये हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 100 कंप्लीट करके टेस्ट 2 को कंप्लीट करने. सो थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट टेस्ट हमें नेक्स्ट वीडियोस कवर करें.